How to cancel a Temu order after shipping. The first things first is of course access your Temu app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now canceling an order after shipping is actually impossible. Now, the only thing that you can do is after receiving the order that you have added to your cart, if there's gonna be a specific damages or any missing parts once you have received the item, that's why, or that's when you can go ahead and return that specific item to the seller's part. But if there's gonna be a perfect item that you receive based on the order that you placed online or on the Timo app, then there's actually no need for you to return the item. You can only cancel a specific order before shipping. Once the shipping has been done, then there's no need or there's no canceling that's gonna be possible right there. So that's it. You cannot cancel an order after shipping.